How much is internet marketing costing you? One common complaint you see in internet marketing discussion forums is the amount of money people are spending in comparison to what they are actually earning. However, when you analyze this, you will find that most people really do not know how much their internet marketing business is costing them. Let's see if we can analyze the question, how much is internet marketing costing you, by reviewing it from the standpoint of money and time. One thing the internet has become famous for is how it does not discriminate against anyone when it comes to becoming an internet marketing success. There are people earning unbelievable amounts of money, and doing it regardless of how much money they have, their race, their sex, their age, where they live, and so on. The two constant factors that is available for everyone is time and money. Some people have more money than they have time, and they choose to build their internet marketing business by outsourcing various functions. Other people have more money than time, and they personally have to invest their time and learn how to do things to become successful. Nowhere is this more evident than when it comes to advertising and promotion. The bottom line with an internet marketing business is you will never make any money if you do not have visitors coming to your website and making a purchase. You can buy advertising in the form of pay-per-click and immediately begin getting traffic. This does not mean you are guaranteed to make a profit, but rather that you are guaranteed to have visitors at a predetermined price per click. If you don't have money to invest in advertising, you will have to try free or nearly free methods. The most popular of these that has been proven to be successful over the years is article marketing. Writing and submitting articles is a great way to build up backlinks to your website and in turn generate traffic over a period of time. This is not necessarily a fast way, but can be a consistent form of internet traffic for you in the future. Regardless of whether you spend time or money, you should calculate what your internet marketing business is costing you. Determine what your time is worth on an hourly rate and keep track of that every week. You should also keep track of your expenses for everything, including website hosting, autoresponders, advertising and marketing, domain names, and so on. By keeping track of your time on an hourly rate, and of your monthly business expenses, you can get an accurate picture of exactly how much your internet business is costing you in comparison to the income you have coming in.